What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial is designed for beginners looking to enhance their productivity using Clickup, a versatile project management tool. You will learn how to create an account, set up your workspace, and utilize various features to manage your projects effectively. First, visit the Clickup website, type app.clickup.com, click on the sign up button, enter your email address and create a password. Confirm your email if required to activate your account, or you can create an account using Google account. After creating an account, set up your Clickup account to start, and as you can see, mine is already open. After logging in, pay attention to the main navigation panel on the left side, which includes Home, Inbox, Docs, Dashboards, Clips, and Timesheets. Click the More tab and you will see Docs, Dashboards, Whiteboards, Clips, Pulse, Goals, and Timesheets. To set up your new workspace, click on the workspace name at the top left of the website screen. Choose New Workspace to start a new one. From here, set up your new workspace. It's up to you on how you set up your workspace. After setting up your workspace, click Finish. To create and manage tasks, click on Add Task to create a new task. Fill in the task details. Assign the task to a team member. Set due dates for accountability. Add tags for easy identification like, for example, priority, project type, and after managing your task, click Save to save the task to add it to your workspace. To utilize your templates, access the template gallery by clicking on Customize, and after clicking Customize, click Templates. It's up to you if you want to browse templates, save as templates, or update existing template. By following the steps, you can effectively set up and utilize Clickup for your project management needs and start by creating account and workspace. Explore the various views and make use of templates and integrations. Regularly reviewing your workflow will help you stay organized and improve productivity. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.